Hi, it's Paul Hill from itflea.com, and in this lesson, you're going to learn how to download Windows Server 2016 free and legally. Now, the first thing we need to do is open our preferred web browser, and I'm going to use Google Chrome. Once you have it open, go to technet.microsoft.com and press enter. Once the page loads, we're looking for the download navigation button. So over here at the top, to the right of home, we'll just go over to the right and you can see downloads. We're going to click on that link. Now under TechNet downloads, we can see Windows Server 2016 is listed. We're going to click on that link. And now we're brought to the Windows Server 2016 evaluation download. Now, if you do not have an account, you will be prompted at this point to sign in or register. So you need to create an account, then you need to sign in. At that point, you can register to continue. So when I click on this button, it's going to ask me to fill out this form, and it's a whole bunch of personal information. I'm just going to blur it out. It's not really anything you guys need to see. Then I'll click continue. And on this screen, it's pretty important what we choose. We need to select the file type that we want to download. We could do a virtual lab if we'd like, but we don't want to do that. So I'm going to choose ISO because this is the most commonly used out in the IT field. So we'll choose ISO and click continue. Now we need to choose the language. Of course, I'm going to select English and then click download. Now we can see that the download has begun. We need to wait for this download to finish. Now you can see that it has this really funny file name, and make sure you pay attention to what it is because we're going to need this file in future lessons. Now that's all we need to do in this lesson. Great job downloading Windows Server 2016, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.